is supposed to be cap. The W.
It doesn't have to be.
But my teacher says
Okay.
the
What is this?
this a butterfly
Oh, okay. And what is this?
rainbow.
What does rainbow mean?
It means God's promise to our family
Okay.
and more families.
And what families?
And this rainbow gives people's by heart magical things.
Oh, okay. What is this?
A flower.
Blue flower. Is blue your favorite color?
Yeah.
I see. Are you done with your note now?
No, now one more.
You're still working on it?
It is. We'll see what it is.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me when you're done.
Close your eyes.
Okay. Let me know when you're done.
Open your eyes. A heart.
Oh, nice. I like that. Are you done with your note now?
Yeah.
How should we send it to Rahwa? How are we gonna send it to her?
The mailman or something.
Envelope, and we can send it to her, okay?
No, but we have to fold it.
Okay, we'll fold it.
Mommy, I want us to be cut in.
Okay. Do you want me to help you?